St. Margaret's Summer Kickoff. Rainbow, tell me about what's happening today.
Today we're creating a really fun activity for the kids to do some carnival games, to get some airbrush tattoos, character artist drawings. We just want to celebrate summer. It's our summer kickoff party with St. Margaret's.
Hi.
You got a friend in me. You got a friend in me. When the road looks rough ahead and you're miles and miles from your nice warm bed, you just remember what your old past said. Boy, you got a friend in me. Yeah, you got a friend in me. You got a friend in me. You got a friend in me. You got trouble, and I got them too. There isn't anything I wouldn't do for you. We stick together, see it through, 'cause you got a friend in me. You got a friend in me. Some other folks might be a little bit smarter than I am, big and stronger too, maybe, but none of them will ever love you the way I do. It's me and you, boy, and as the years go by, our friendship will never die. You're gonna see it's our destiny. You got a friend in me. You got a friend in me. You got a friend in me.